Alright, let's go over the mixture of Sonic and Jason Voorhees. Alrighty? Let's do it. So, first thing is, I'm going to draw a curve of the mask. Alright, so right here I'm going to curve for the front of the mask. Go over here on this side. Curve on the left side. The mask could be a lot more square, round kind of thing. Curve underneath. And then curve over here. Right on. So the holes in his mask are going to be a lot bigger, okay? So right off the bat, I'm going to go over here. Curve. It's got that Sonic eye kind of thing. Over here on this side, also Sonic eye. Downward, curve in. Down here, curve. Up. Sweet, sweet. Now I'm going to fill this in. Line right there. I'm gonna fill that guy in, and it's gonna kind of replicate the holes of Jason Voorhees' mask, but again, different proportions right off the bat. The eyes are a lot bigger. That's the biggest difference, and because you're taking attributes from both, and we're merging them into one. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like these kind of mixture videos, and definitely hit the subscribe if you haven't. I'm gonna go over a lot of different stuff, and I'm gonna throw a lot of variety on this channel for everybody. All right, gonna go over here, and I'm gonna do the hole, right? The holes in the mask. Hole right here, hole right here, hole right here, hole right here. It's got that 6 downward. All right. Gonna go over here to the top. Throw a dot right there. Another hole. And I'm gonna angle it down right here on this one, which is a little bit different than Jason Voorhees' mask. Let's put 2 over here on the cheek, 2 over here on the far side of the cheek, maybe a couple of dots over here, a couple of dots over here. All right, cool, cool. We'll leave it like that for now, okay? And we are gonna come back to it, so for now, leave it as is. All right, now we're gonna go over here on this side, and we're gonna draw Sonic's ear come out. Right there. Triangle. Far side of your triangle. I'm going to draw a line over here for the spike curve. And as I'm going back, it's going to have a little bit of grossness to it. Up. So like little zigzag right there, the little shagginess to it. Right here. Up. Up over here. Cool, cool. Gonna go over here to the inner ear. Down. Line here. Line here. Curve line here. Curve line here for the jacket. He's gonna have that kind of Jason Voorhees style jacket. Line out here for the arm. Line over here for the arm coming up. Okay. Keep going for that jacket arm right there. Line in. Over here downward. Curve back here at the bottom. Curve right here for the stomach because he has the you know, the color of the stomach there. And then curve here for the bottom of the stomach. Line in here. Down, down for the legs. Down, down. Line underneath. Line underneath. kind of that curve, that M shape, almost sideways M for the sock. Same thing on this side. Same thing on this side. Line down here, curve up, out, down for the jacket on that side. Okay, we're gonna have him, first off, his hand on this side, just gonna be, that's his thumb. Finger, finger, finger. His hand's just to the side, right? Go over here now. He's gonna grab. So finger on that side folded, finger on this side, finger on this side. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna have that knife in his hand. Line over here for the, and we're gonna fill that in because it's a handle. Out, curve underneath, up. Line over here. Go down to the shoe again, which I forgot to complete. Curve down, more or less curved bottom, line right there. Line right here, curved bottom, line up. Line across with a shoe. Now, we're gonna give him a pocket right here, square with like a V on it. A line over here. So we're gonna add a tiny bit of color to this, not entirely, nothing crazy, but I want to add the line over here in the middle for that design of the mask. Down here, triangle, fill that in. Okay, that's on one right there. That triangle on Jason's mask. Line over here, up. Fill that in. Over here, fill that in. And that's it. That is Sonic Jason Voorhees merger. I want to thank you very much. You are amazing. Thank you for watching. Like I said, if you would like more of this, subscribe. If you want to support the channel and you think you like what I do at this channel, share the video. And yeah, definitely, it will absolutely help. Share it with anybody. Just press that share button. You know, there's an automatic share button on the bottom right hand side, or just show it with a friend. So thank you so much. Talk to you next time, and I'll see you very soon.